Congrats on getting your OXA kit. It comes with a garment of your choice, the OXA sensor, its charging cable, and a wooden stand to support your phone while using the app. Start by charging your sensor. While you wait, download and install the OXA app and follow the onboarding instructions. When ready, adjust the shirt, bra, or band so the electrodes are positioned on each side of the tip of the breastbone. The breathing ring should wrap around the chest below the electrodes. The garment should fit comfortably against the skin, not loose, but not too tight to restrict breathing either. Snap the OXA sensor into the front of the garment. Locate the contacts and press the sensor to connect all the pins correctly. With the sensor clipped on, bring your Android or iOS device within range and activate Bluetooth. Open the app and create or log into an existing account. In the OXA app, tap the Bluetooth icon and select the OXA sensor. You are now ready to go. Just start an exercise or a recording to begin tracking your vitals. And don't forget to enjoy the journey.